Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. I've been actually wanting to film this tutorial in such a long time, but my hair was not in the right condition because it was really long and the ends were straight and just on top was curly. So I needed to get rid of the straight ends. So that's why I went to go get it cut last week. And I've been really loving my curly hair. I finally got it back and it's so much easier to maintain now that it's shorter. And I did cut a lot. I think I cut like about 8 inches. I actually, when I was getting it cut, I told my hairstylist to cut it 4 inches. I was like, yeah, I think that's gonna be enough. And then I saw it and I was like, no, 4 more inches. I want to get rid of like all the straight ends. So that's what she did, and then she chopped it all off and I was like, oh my god, it's short. But I actually really like it because I like feel my bouncy curls and I just feel like myself again. So if you have curly hair and you've been wanting to learn different tricks on how to style your hair, everyone's hair is different of course, but today I'm just gonna be sharing how I've been styling my hair. So if you are interested in seeing how I've been styling my hair, please keep on watching. So as you can tell, I still have my towel on my head because I did take a shower, but just because I wanted to film this tutorial, I wanted to put on some makeup and look presentable for you guys. I usually do my hair once I get out of the shower before applying makeup. That way my hair is still wet and it's easier to work with than dry hair, because dry hair I usually have to wet it and style it then. So the key for me to styling my curly hair is to have damp hair because it's easier to work with and it's easier to comb through my hair and detangle it. So as you can tell, it is still damp, so that's perfect. It's not too wet and it's not dry. So what I'm gonna do first is comb it and detangle it. Here, let me just part it into sections, that way it'll be easier. So right now I'm just going to detangle my hair and just brush it through, that way it's smooth and easy to work with. Now that I've combed my hair, you can see it's not as curly because I did comb it. I am going to part it in half, and then I am going to be applying this argan oil. It's by Hask and it's repairing shine hair oil. It strengthens and restores your hair. So this is perfect to apply at the ends of your hair. So I'm just gonna put about 5 pumps on each side of my hair, and then I'm just gonna warm it up in my hands and then focus it on the ends of my hair. So next, I actually bought this product because my hairstylist used it on me and I really liked it when she put it on, so I ended up buying it. And it is the Catwalk by TG or TIGI, and it is a curls rock amplifier, so this will amplify your curls. It is used for definition and separation, so this will help your curl form and maintain it. I'm just gonna put a couple pumps in my hand and I'll show you guys how to style it. Then I'm just going to rub it against my other hand, and then I'm gonna start off by putting it in my hair, and I want to make sure that I distribute it evenly with all my hair, that way all the curls get the same amount of product. Now that I have put the product in all my hair, I'm going to kind of like scrunch my hair up like this and just like pinch your hair. Grab it and pinch and like scrunch it up. And this will show the curl a little better. Now what I'm gonna do is grab a little more of the curl amplifier, and then I'm going to toss my hair forward and scrunch it up just like how you saw right now. And then when you're done, just flip it back right up and you should have your curl. So as you can see, it's very easy. It's not too much to it. It's just having the right product and how to use it. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for the hair tutorial. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!